What's poppin', you beautiful human beings? Swol here. We're meeting for the first time. In this video, we're going over 5 audio mistakes that you may be making that's costing you a ton of views. This first mistake that I'm going to mention might seem a bit obvious, but there are a few of us out there that may just be making it, and I won't judge if that's you. The first mistake is setting up your microphone backwards. Now, I get it. You might have a HyperX like me and it looks same but different, but same. And you might just be talking into the back of the microphone. This tip actually came through one of the funniest comments I've ever read on my channel. I've been talking to the back of my microphone for 2 years and never realized until I saw which way you had your microphone. Lamau. It made me realize this might just be a common mistake. So tip number 1, make sure that your microphone is facing the right way, especially if it's a cardioid, because if it's a cardioid, it's only going to pick up sounds coming this way, kind of like a oh, what am I describing actually? It's like a beautiful muffin, like the top of a muffin. Ooh, I really want a chocolate chip muffin now. The second mistake you might be making is forgetting to check your microphone levels. I actually bump my microphone a lot, especially while streaming, if I'm getting up to go make coffee, if I'm switching from Discord where I actually have to up the volume at the bottom of my microphone, and then I forget to reset it for streaming. So whether you're recording or whether you're in Discord, you need to go to your voice meter settings and just make sure that it's not peaking into the red, but also that it's not too soft and it's actually boosting your voice up so that people can hear you. Nothing worse than making a call, letting your teammate know that someone is A-long and they didn't hear you and then they die. It's just on the flip-flop side, nothing worse than a very loud, annoying microphone that keeps breaking out because it's too loud. The third mistake, which is actually going to be very common, is not getting the microphone as close to your mouth as possible. Now, I know maybe you're a bit fearful of us smelling your breath, but don't worry, we're protected by a computer screen, hopefully. Oh no, I don't want to smell that garlic salt anymore. But this tends to be the case if you have a headset on and it's just kind of like it's far away, or if you actually have your headset on a mic stand and then it's on the desk sitting a bit far away from you. You can't always be leaning forward. It's just also, it might just look a bit awkward. My tip to you is to make sure that you pick up a boom arm that your microphone fits into. That way you can get it as close to your mouth as possible, but please bear in mind, we don't want to be hearing you breathing. The fourth mistake, which I have made so many times, is forgetting to check my input device. There's so often where I plug in my web camera or I change my web camera from like the Brio to like the X Vision, and then it resets my audio input device. It thinks that I would rather choose my webcam over this beautiful, lovely, sexy microphone. It's like, why? Why would I choose it? But lo and behold, Windows has its own priorities. So you got to make sure that your input device always is selected to your microphone or your headset. So sometimes you need to go into your Windows, double check that, into your game, double check that, into your Discord, double check that, and especially into your slobs or OBS and double check that you're using the correct default input device. Make sure to set it to your microphone, please. The fifth mistake, which is super easy to fix, is just forgetting to soundproof your room, whether it's putting down some carpets or whether it's putting in some furniture that's going to help absorb the reverb as you speak, because your voice is just so sexy. It just wants to bounce around the room and it's like got a jinga to it. You know, you just got to make sure that you soundproof it. Get something in there, a carpet, a pillow, I don't know, something cute maybe. And then that will help absorb some of the echo. But this is a bonus tip coming your way. Number 6, which took me so long, is forgetting to add filters to your audio. It is filters that is going to make you sound bright and bassy and beautiful and crisp and clear. But guess what? I have a video that's going to show you exactly how to install the filters that I use on my USB microphone. That's going to come up on the screen right now. But before you go there, make sure you follow me on Twitch, which I am Swol live Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, 8 a.m. South African Standard Time, where we ride lions. Let's go. I'll see you guys there.